Are you navigating the fast-paced, ever-changing world of product management as a product generalist? In this video, I'm sharing the 5 essential skills I've mastered over a decade to thrive in diverse domains, tackle new challenges, and deliver real impact no matter the industry or the product. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Teresa and I'm a product leader based in Melbourne, Australia. And on this channel, we explore strategies and tools that inspire us to keep growing in our career. Before we dive in, let's look at what it means to be a generalist. A generalist is someone with a broad range of skills and knowledge across multiple domains, rather than being deeply specialized in one area. They have a solid grasp of many different aspects and excel at connecting the dots to the bigger picture. Now let's jump into number 1, curiosity. Curiosity is the desire to learn, explore, and understand something new. It's about seeking knowledge, asking thoughtful questions, and diving deeper into topics, ideas, or experiences. Curiosity is a cornerstone of being a generalist because throughout your career, you will encounter many new domains or environments. In product management especially, we often work on diverse products or industries where we may not initially have deep expertise. That's where curiosity becomes one of the key powers. It enables you to quickly learn, ask the right questions, and gain the knowledge you need to make informed decisions. So here are my 3 go-to questions whenever I stepped into a new area. Who is the target customer? What are the top 3 problems? What does success look like? From there, you can go deeper. For example, if you ask, what are the top 3 problems? You can also follow up with, how are these problems being solved today? Now, this approach helps you quickly build a high-level understanding of what you're stepping into and to set a strong foundation for informed decision-making. The second one is adaptability. Now, this is the ability to adjust and thrive in changing environments, circumstances, or challenges. It's about being flexible, open to new ideas, and resilient in the face of uncertainty or disruption. And here's the thing, it pairs perfectly with curiosity. As you sharpen your curiosity by asking the right questions, your ability to adapt to learn new things become faster and more natural. Now, this combination is one of the greatest superpowers of being a generalist. As you navigate new domains, whether because you've changed companies, roles, or simply responding to a fast-changing landscape of technology, you will need to strengthen your ability to learn quickly. Now, I'm not saying that you need to master everything overnight or even within a week, but within the first 30 days, you should aim to gather enough deep insights to start making informed decisions confidently. To strengthen your adaptability, practice these key elements. Number 1 is flexibility. Now, be willing to adjust your plans or perspective as conditions change. Resilience. Setback and frustrations will happen. I get it. But recover quickly and stay focused. Open-mindedness. Be receptive to new ideas, feedback, and alternative solutions. Don't get stuck on your own approach. Learn agility. Learn how the company works, what tools they use, and pick up new concepts quickly. And lastly, creative problem solving. Now think beyond traditional method to find innovative solutions. Remember, adaptability isn't about knowing everything. It's about being ready to learn, adjust, and deliver value in any situation. Next is strong communication. As a generalist, you'll collaborate with diverse cross-functional teams, developers, designers, marketers, the list goes on. Your ability to convey ideas clearly and bridge gaps between different perspectives is absolutely critical. To become a strong communicator, focus on these key elements. Number 1 is active listening. Now, communication starts with understanding. Focus on truly hearing what others are saying instead of preparing your response while they speak. Try practicing these things. Ask clarifying questions to ensure that you fully understand. Paraphrase their points to confirm that you're understanding, and avoid interruption or jumping to conclusions. Next, tailor your message to the audience. Now adjust how you communicate depending on who you're speaking to, such as use data and metrics for senior leadership to align with their priorities. Focus on goals and user impact when talking to cross-functional teams, and keep technical discussions simple and jargon-free for non-technical stakeholders. And lastly, storytelling. Story makes your ideas more engaging and memorable. Use narrative to explain concepts, convey visions, and inspire. Frame problems and solutions in a way that it highlights the impact on the user. Use real-world examples to make your point relatable. And start with why to build context before diving into details. Number 4 is broad technical understanding. Now, as a generalist product manager, you don't need to be a coder, but you do need to understand enough about technology to hold meaningful conversations with engineers. Now, this level of understanding empowers you to spot risk before they escalate, identify opportunities to improve your product, build trust and credibility with your technical teams. Here are some specific areas to focus on. The first is the system architecture landscape. Now, understand the overall structure of the system your product relies on is essential. What are the key components in your system? Example, is it front end, back end, database driven, or API? How do these components interact with each other? And are there any third parties, integration, or dependencies? Then is the data flows. Dive into how data moves through your product's ecosystem. The data journey. Understand where data comes from, how it's processed, and where it's stored. The privacy and compliance. Learn about the regulations and how data privacy is managed in your product. And the bottlenecks. Spot the inefficiencies in data movement. How could slow down your performance or user experience? Then learn about AI basics. Artificial intelligence is transforming many industries, and as a product manager, having a foundational understanding is becoming increasingly important. And lastly, spend time with engineers and architects. They are your best resource for technical understanding in your engineering team. Ask them questions, sit down with engineers and architects on how the system works, what challenges they're facing, and what solution they're considering. And then learn the language. Understand the common terms they use and ask for more explanations when you need it. And finally, outcome-oriented mindset. Great product generalists focus on delivering value, not just shipping features. They're constantly asking, how does this drive impact for our customers and our business? This mindset shifts your focus from output, the number of features shipped, to outcomes, the measurable value those features create. Here is some areas to keep practicing. Start with the customer problem. Now, before diving into the solution, get crystal clear on the problem you're solving. Who is the customer? What pain points are they experiencing? And how will solving problems improve their experience or address their need? When you frame your work around customer impact, you naturally align your efforts with meaningful outcomes. Next, define success metrics. To become outcome-oriented, you need to measure what matters. Define clear, measurable success metric before you start building. What does success look like for the customer? What does success look like for the business? And by tracking these metrics, you can assess whether your efforts are truly moving the needle or need to be adjusted. Focus on value, not volume. It's easy to fall into the trap of equating more features with more progress. But being great product generalist understands that less is more. When it comes to delivering value, prioritize features that solve the most pressing customer problems or offer the highest return on investment for the business. Avoid building things just because they're nice to have or because competitors are doing it as well. The goal is to ship meaningful features, not just a long list of updates. If you find this video helpful or inspiring, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Also, if you have any areas you believe will master being a great product generalist, please share in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.